Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit at home. Okay, very good. Now in this video we will discuss about our holidays homework of social science. So in this holiday homework you have to do two activities at your home. So activity 1 is the name of activity, knowing more about incredible India. So in this activity you have to mark different types of landforms on the physiographic or physical map of India by using glaze papers और clay. आपने ग्लेस पेपर या क्ले की हेल्प से क्या करना है, लैंडफॉर्म्स को मार्क करना है ऑन द फिजियोग्राफिक मैप ऑफ इंडिया और फिजिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया. एंड योर एक्टिविटी 2 इज़ द नेम ऑफ द एक्टिविटी इज़ गिव योर प्लांट अ लाइफ. इन दिस एक्टिविटी you have to choose a sapling of any plant. Sapling means a small plant. आपने एक small plant लेना है, ठीक है, of any plant of your choice and transfer it to a pot. और फिर आपने उसके बाद उसको pot में transfer कर देना है. And then after that you will send pictures of that sapling on my WhatsApp number on very first day and then keep on sending pictures weekly. हर वीक आप मुझे क्या करोगे, उसकी पिक्चर सेंड करोगे. दैट इज़ एवरी संडे बाय ऑब्जर्विंग इट्स ग्रोथ. ओके, सो दीज आर द टू एक्टिविटीज़ दैट you have to do at home. Now we will discuss activity first, that how you will do this activity at home. So in activity 1 the materials required, that is one physiographic or physical map of India, second is glaze papers of different colors like brown paper for mountains, green color for northern plains, yellow color for deserts, orange color for plateaus and blue color for water. Third is Fevicol or glue, fourth is scissors, fifth is black sketch for outlining and sixth one is clay. Clay is optional beta. If you are doing your mark your landforms with the glaze papers, then there is no need of clay. If you are using clay instead of glaze papers, then you will take clay of different colors, okay, to mark your landforms. Let's do this activity 1, that mark the different landforms on the physiographic or physical map of India. For that activity you need these types of glaze papers of different colors, okay, and scissors, glue, or you can take clay. If you are not using glaze papers, then you can take different types of different colors of clay. And these are the maps. This is the physical map of India. You can this map, or either you can use this map. This is the physiographic map of India. बेटा मैंने ये गूगल से लिया है, ठीक है. यू कैन ऑल्सो सर्च ऑन गूगल फिजियोग्राफिक मैप ऑफ इंडिया. आपने क्या फिल करना है गूगल पे, फिजियोग्राफिक मैप ऑफ इंडिया, ठीक है. देन यू कैन टेक प्रिंट आउट ऑफ this map. Physiographic means that landforms are already marked on this map. So as you can see here, so you can use any one of these maps. आप इनमें से कोई भी मैप यूज कर सकते हो. So for doing this activity, firstly you have to cut these glaze papers into different shapes. वो आपकी मर्जी है बेटा, आप किसी भी शेप में इनको कट कर सकते हो. लाइक ब्राउन पेपर वी हैव यूज फॉर हिमालयन माउंटेन्स, सो यू कैन कट एनी शेप. नाउ आई विल शो यू दैट विच शेप आई कट फॉर these landforms. So these are the different shapes that I cut. This shape I cut for Himalayan mountains, and this triangular shape I use for deserts. These small triangles I use for northern plains. Then square type squares we are using for water, and this diamond shape we are using for the plateaus. Now we are going to paste these shapes on the map. Okay, I choose physiographic map of India for this activity. Firstly we will apply glue one by one firstly I will apply glue on Himalayan range. Like this you have to apply glue on the Himalayan range. Like this. Then you will take out the cutouts and we will paste these cutouts on it like this. This is how you have to complete your activity. This is how you will complete your Himalayan mountain range. Now again you will apply glue on the northern plains. Here I have applied the glue on northern plains. Then again we will take the cutouts of green color like this. Then we will paste these cutouts over here. Look, this is how we have completed our northern plains. Now again we will apply glue on in plateau region. Okay, then we will take the cutouts of this region and we will apply these cutouts over here. Like this you will apply these cutouts. See, we have completed our plateau region. Now we will apply glue on the desert area and we will apply glue on this region where water bodies are there. And again we will take cutouts of yellow color for desert area and we will apply our cutouts. You have to make this activity like this in a very beautiful manner. See, we have completed our activity. This is we have completed our desert area as well as our water area. So like this you have to complete your activity. Hope you will enjoy doing this activity at your home. Please make this activity in a very beautiful manner like this. This is how we use glaze papers to mark the different landforms on the map. If you don't want to use these glaze papers, then you can use clay instead of these glaze papers. And if you want to do with clay, then you have to take different colors of clay, and this is how you will mark the different landforms on the map with the help of clay, and how you can see how it will look after using the clay. So this is your choice. This is all about your activity 1, and this is how you have to make your activity, and your choice whether you want to use glaze papers or clay, and make this activity. Enjoy your holidays. Thank you.